Well, my name is Jesse, and this is my weapon. And this is a song about love for a piece of furniture. And if you think that's strange, maybe you haven't met the right piece of furniture yet. Oh my recliner, I think of the day I found you. Yeah, me and my recliner, we go way back. I said me and my recliner, we go way back. And on my recliner I recline, and on my recliner I have a whale of a time, and on my recliner I belong. And if you were on my recliner, I'd recline the whole night long. Can you afford to be without this?